dirt ride?
This is mine right here.
Right, this guy, eh? Nice. Where'd you get the hood, man?
That is a true fiber SRT hood. Very rare to find those things back in the day.
Guy. What year is this baby?
This is an 05 Magnum RT. Got low kilometers on it.
Yeah.
But now I've upgraded everything, so the suspension's all SRT. You got the Brembos on her. The motor's been all done up. He's got a cat back all the way. My car's got a full Challenger SRT suspension in it.
Nice.
Came out of an 09. The car's an 05, but an 09 suspension fits. And the Brembos, and the Brembos and the knuckles and the rotors come out of a 2012 300 SRT, and they just bolted in.
That's pretty crazy.
I got a Franken Magnum.
Yes, you do.
And then the seats came out of an 07 road and track car.
Yeah.
And then the back seat is from a 300 SRT from an 06.
Holy.
That I got in the US. So the car is just Franken Mag.
That's pretty cool.
But yeah, that's the love that we put into these rides.
Oh yeah, for sure.
It's incredible.
Wow.